Hey guys, welcome again. So in this particular video, we're going to teach you how to switch account type on the Instagram app. So whether you want to switch from a business account to a creator account, or maybe you want to switch from a personal account to a business account or a creator account, or from a business account to a personal account or a creator account, or a creator account to a personal account. We're going to cover all this in this video. So let's jump right straight in. So we'll launch the Instagram app. Next, we visit our profile home by clicking on our profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, we'll click on the menu button at the top right corner, which is the three horizontal lines. Next, we'll click on business tools and control. This is a business account, so which is why we're going to find this on the business tools and control. So we'll select business tools and control. Next, click on switch account type. Then you can now choose if you want to switch to a personal account or switch to a creator account. So let me show you how you're going to do this for a creator account. So my personal Instagram account is a creator account. So I'm going to switch to it. So let's say this is the home page when we open our Instagram account for a creator account. Next, I'm going to visit the profile home by clicking on my profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, I'm going to click on the menu button at the top right corner. Next, I'm going to click on creator tools and control. So you can see for creator account, it's called creator tools and control, unlike the business account. So I'm going to click on creator tools and controls. Next, I'm going to search for switch account type. So you click on switch account type. Then you're going to decide if you want to switch to a personal account or switch to a business account. For the next one, we're going to switch it to a personal account because it's already a business account. Then we're going to switch it back to a business profile. All right. So basically, if you want to switch across your Instagram account while the app is open, you simply hold your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then you select the account you want to switch into, or you add a new Instagram account. So we're going to switch into Redzone Web, redzone.web. Okay, so we have been switched successfully. All right, so let's just imagine that we just opened our Instagram account and it took us to the Instagram feeds, which is this one. So next, we're going to visit our profile feed by clicking on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. All right, so next thing, we click on the menu button at the top right corner. Next, we'll click on business tools and control. Next, we'll click on switch account type. Next, we'll click on switch to a personal account. So we're going to switch this to a personal account. Then we approve. Then we confirm, switch to a personal account. All right, so the switching has been successful. So we refresh this. So let's imagine we just opened our Instagram app under our personal profile. Then we found the Instagram feed. Next, we're going to visit the profile home. So click on our profile picture at the bottom right corner. So this particular session is teaching us how to switch from personal account to a business account or a creator account. So we click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Next, we scroll down to the bottom. Okay, until we find account type and tools. So we'll click on account type and tools. Then you're going to find the button where you could switch your account type. So we'll click on switch to professional account. So don't forget, the professional account is divided into two segments, the business professional account and the creator professional account. So these are some informations about it. So we just skip it, or you click on continue. So once we're done, click on continue. Then we select the type or what category or what describes the brand. So we could just call this digital creator. You could search for yours if you don't see it here. Then we'll click on done. We're not going to display it on our profile, so we didn't activate that button. So this is the point where we're going to select if it's a creator or a business account. We're going to go for business account. Then we'll click on next. All right, so that's all for now. So you could fill in all these details and click on next, or you click on don't use my contact info. So you could also skip this, or you could connect to Facebook immediately. So we're going to skip this. All right, so these are some recommendations to set up a professional account. So we're going to close this for now. So we'll click on the X button at the top right corner. All right, so we are good to go. So we've converted the personal profile back into a business professional account. All right, so that's all for this video. Kindly visit the description section for more information. Bye for now.